The Pinnacles Lookout Fire Tower, located in the Victorian High Country in the state of Victoria, Australia, has a history marked by multiple reconstructions following severe bushfire damage. Standing at an elevation of approximately 1,200 meters, it serves as a critical vantage point for early fire detection in the Gippsland region. 1961–1962, the original lookout cabin was constructed to provide surveillance over the surrounding forests. Mid-1980s, the first structure was demolished after becoming tired and was replaced by a second cabin in 1987. December 2006, a major bushfire swept through the area. While the main lookout cabin was destroyed, the corrugated iron living quarters were spared. Post-2006, replacement materials were flown in by helicopter shortly after the fire to rebuild the tower, resulting in the impressive structure seen by visitors today. The current tower is a popular destination for four-wheel drive enthusiasts and hikers, offering 360-degree views of the Wonnangatta Valley and the Snowy Range. Have you ever visited this location? Let us know what you thought in the comments section. And always remember, who dares fins?